is going on YouTube? I am back with another video, you guys, and you can tell it is early in the morning. It is cold. You see my breath, right? No, it's not hot. I just brushed my teeth. Anyways, we are on our way to Myrtle Beach this morning, super early. I got my cameraman slash video man, everything possible. Cuban Media on Instagram, that's who does all of my photos, if you didn't know. We're headed to meet Demonology, Mind of Fame, Stunna Reese for the Stunna Jam at Myrtle Beach. It is gonna be crazy. Make sure you stay tuned. This is gonna be a crazy video, man. I got Demonology teaching me how to use a trans brake once we get down there, so make sure you look forward to that video. I'm cold, I can't even hold the phone anymore, but let's hit the road. Let's go. Made it down to Myrtle Beach for the Stunna Reese Jam. Now, what's crazy is we are all the way in Myrtle Beach, and you guys, if you know, man. This is CJ on 32's Scat Pack. Now, he did raffle it away, and the winner was actually in North Carolina. This thing is crazier in person, but we are a little bit early. But you can see we got E-Vapors out here. We got everybody you can think. We got Mind of Fame, Demonology. We'll talk to Stunna. We'll get to all of them, all of those guys here shortly, man. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tap into all the videos on my channel, man. Everything 1320 happens right here. So lock in and let's go. So first and foremost, all right, you can see this paint is absolutely crazy. And of course, he wouldn't be CJ on 32s without the 4 Giottos, you guys. Now, he even has the pink interior. I'm gonna flip the camera up. The pink suede, the dual sunroof. He did not spare a penny on this car, man. And everything matches. It is absolutely crazy. Now, I did enter the winner's car, even though I didn't, but it's crazy. That's the winner right there, actually, you guys. But it is wild. First words when you heard you won the car, bro?
Man, when I first heard I won the car, man, I was just like going crazy, man. Just running. This is crazy, man.
That's what's up, man.
Crazy feeling, for real.
Oh, for sure. And of course, we have Drac out here, you guys. Clean. Look at the lip on that right there, you guys. This is one of my favorite cars that any YouTuber has, man. If you know me, you know I do want to do an old school and have a big lip, all that good stuff. And it just kind of got redone. And check out this motor, right? 102 millimeter throttle body, and almost has the Holley EFI manifold on top, or look manifold, I'm not sure. But it is super clean, red interior, and check this out. What's crazy is the car he travels with has more expensive rims than mine, right? Are you good? I'm sorry, you good. But that's the setup, you guys. You can see Stunna Reese, super clean. We have a nice 5.0, and what I like about the 5.0s is the engine and how it's set up, right? I think it's super clean, and he's even got the carbon fiber in the front. But like I said, I like the engine cool and how they kind of have it set up out front like that. A little Mustang group here of 5.0s. That white is actually super clean. And of course, you can see the group I pulled up, and I got myself, you have Garrett, we have Cody and his BMW. Super clean, and we got another BMW with the carbon fiber details, and super clean and white convertible. And we got my man right here, all right? We have Cloud9 Charger, and what he doesn't know is I've already seen what he's getting done to the car, right? So I already know what it's gonna look like, but make sure you tune into his channel so you can see it, all right? It's gonna go down real soon. Super, super clean, man. He's got a lot going for this car. So like I said, tune in and see what's going on. You can even check. Grocery Getter Racing did a crazy strip bar for him. Speaking of white Chargers, man, we got that car guy, Big Mike, and his white Scat Pack. And one thing I like about the Scat Packs, which I wish I had in mind, and I wish the 1320 actually did, all right, the red Alcantara seats, man. I wish the 1320 had something on it that popped it out, man. But I'm a huge fan of white cars. If you don't know, my Cadillac's white, or was white, etc. I just think the white and black look is super, super clean. But another thing, I wish I could go back stock to everything. I wish I could go back to a black car, black rims, and that'd be it. But it's not how you grow your channel, you guys. All right, you guys, we got a black and yellow. And what's crazy is the printed honeycomb stripes here. You can see the yellow Brembos, got the whole theme going, man. Make sure you follow them. Oh, I like that. Check that out. And then we got a 6.1 that you don't see too often, man. We got a orange 6.1. Super, super clean. I'm a huge fan of the orange when it comes to Mopars. They did a good color. And I think what it reminds me of is the orange Cuda. Super, super clean. We even have a Sabre. Not sure how you say that. Don't kill me on the comments, you guys. But I do like the white wall tires. If you don't know, I also am a huge Cadillac fan with the big, I don't know what they're called off the top of my head. I just went brain dead. But the spikes that actually come out, and that kind of gives me that vibe. And the olive green is clean. And even the green interior with the bench sheets, you guys. But let's go check out some of these cars. All right, Dunk Master, I know you're watching. Rucci get your coochie every time. Let me tell you. Super, super clean LSX Camaro, cam down. What's crazy is I can hear this car all the way across the parking lot. And now you guys see why. Now you see why. What's up, man? Corsa exhaust. 24s. Super clean brush face with a chrome lip. Wait till this thing turns on, you guys. Alright, so this is my guy's 300. He's got a whole lot done, right? I think my favorite part is these are one of one on the rims, you guys. One of one. Got the Lamborghini doors on both sides. And I think my favorite is the flake in the detail, even in the rear half of the car, you guys. I'm trying not to step on all his stuff, but he got TVs everywhere. And what's crazy is, I'm not gonna do it, but his steering wheel pop off. His steering wheel pop off, y'all just don't know it. Super, super crazy. And of course, you guys know I'm always find one of these. All right, I'm always gonna find a Corvette in red. Right, we got a Grand Sport with the carbon fiber package. Super, super clean, man. I'm a huge fan. You know how I got a thing for Corvettes, you guys. Super clean, man. I can't say enough about a Corvette. Like, a Corvette is just where it's at. Like, the look, the power, you cannot beat it. Now, one thing I will say, all right. Oh, we got a nice little, oh, okay. Okay. We're gonna find out if it's fast or not, because if it's on the trailer, it better be fast. Might be a little fast. Look what we have here, you guys. We have a GoMango Redeye. This is the first non-silver or black Redeye I've actually seen in person. And GoMango is crazy. You can see the dry carbon stripes. And what I like best about this one, he has the reflective. Oh, wow. Reflective. I don't know if you can see it. Oh. Redeye. Super clean, man. Hey, I'm gonna go out on a limb and tell you guys, he's got the juice right here. Oh, hit.
Yes, sir. Woo! Yes, sir. We're gonna look at this bad boy right here. It is somebody. Uh-oh, hold on for a second.
Can't find that.
Why is your cooler empty?
My cooler is empty.
Where the power juice at? Where the body armor at?
Poor planning. I had the body armor in Dallas. I had body armor in Maryland.
Charlotte?
I had body armor in Memphis. Guess what? Today, poor planning.
Hey.
No body armor in the cooler.
No boost juice for the Tesla today, you guys.
You look in the cooler. You say you saw it was empty.
Hey, yeah, you know. Hey, look. No boost juice today.
I was giving them out for free, man.
Hey, look, no boost juice. Normally the boost juice is in here, you guys.
We ain't got nothing in there, bro.
Hey.
We got straight family. And I'm out here with the family too, so that threw my schedule off. I went and got some ice.
Hey.
I went and got my stuff. Boom.
He hands you that juice as soon as you get zapped by this right here, you guys.
Yeah, man.
Only family car that you're gonna pull up on and get gapped. But I learned something from the last time. I've been looking for him all the time. Right here. I don't know how to take the trunk down, right?
You wanna take it down?
Yeah. So, first of all, he didn't even have to do nothing just now, right?
We could have used the phone.
That red line means the car fast. If you don't know, don't play with anything that's got a red line.
It's called boombox, so it can mimic any sound.
It's not moving.
No, it's revving.
Oh, it's raining right now.
Yeah, that's it.
I hear it.
That's crazy. It's a Dodge Demon. Hey, Demonology would be upset at you right now.
I know, right?
All right, so we have E-Vapor's Tesla. All right, this is what's crazy. Oh, this screen is crazy. Like, white interior, where do you see that at, right? Where? Man, look at the panoramic roof. I'm not gonna lie, I would get a Tesla, but it'd have to have like the big red Brembos like this one does. It would have to be clean, man. It would definitely have to be clean, but I do like this Tesla, you guys. My guy DRE Effect pull up from Charlotte, man. The satin black wrap with the yellow accents. I really like his YouTube banner. It's tough. Even have carbon fiber. Clean, man. He out here trying to get it together. I'll let him get his stuff together, but you know, make sure you subscribe to his channel. And we are back with another game of Gap or Pass. With Cole.
This thing?
That's cap.
If he spin, I'm gapping.
Hey, you heard it here first on the channel, right? I don't know, Bo. It's tough though.
What are we doing? From a dig?
60.
Oh, he gonna spin. I'm not gonna spin. I spin from a 30.
Okay. Scat pack. I ain't even gonna ask. Y'all, check who it is. We got Slime Pack out here, man, with one of the craziest wraps you have ever seen on a Charger, you guys. You're not gonna see anything like that. Got a nice B5. And then we got my man Smooth Hemi 392 with the black wide body, white wide body with the black hood roof and trunk, man. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. You see it right there, you guys. Smooth Hemi _392. Even got a black on black Daytona. I'm a super fan of anything black on black, you guys.